Have you ever wished you could copy and paste SharePoint lists when you didn't have access to PowerShell? Well, fortunately now, there's a Power Platform solution for that. Hi there, I'm Will Johnson. I am a self-professed Power Platform nerd, and today I'll be going through a solution that I built to do just that and make my life a little bit easier when setting up dev, test and production sites for Power Platform projects. So, as you can see on the screen, I have a dev SharePoint site that has a few lists in it that I might want to copy across to a blank test site. Now normally to do this, I would either have to use SharePoint template gallery to move the list one by one, or recreate them manually, which can be a bit time consuming. But thanks to Power Apps, Power Automate and a bit of SharePoint Designer REST API, I can now copy and paste lists using this application. All it requires is 3 bits of information: the destination site URL, the home site URL where you're going to take the lists from, and the names of the lists separated by commas. What we do is we fill in the information for the site from, including the list to copy, and hit copy list. This then triggers a Power Automate with the information that's there that uses SharePoint Designer REST API to go away and get an executable site script for each of the lists and save them into a variable in the application. We then put in our destination URL and hit paste lists. This throws that variable and the destination URL across to a second Power Automate, which then pastes the lists using that executable site script to that test site. So as you can see here, I've chosen the answers, Bob and projects lists from my dev site. The destination URL is my test site. If I hit refresh on there, you'll see that answers, Bob and projects has arrived. So it makes it nice and simple and easy to move a SharePoint list from one site to another. I hope you find this useful, and if you've got any feedback or comments, please leave them.